Accountants love Excel, and you can't blame them. It's a really easy to use tool and versatile. And one of the quick ways of getting started with ERPNext is to be able to import data from Excel into ERPNext. In the process of importing data, there are a lot of challenges, but here's a quick tip on solving one of them. So one of the main problems is that you could receive data with a date format similar to this, which is the day, the month, and the year. Right? Yet ERPNext's format is the year, the month, and the day. So this video just shows you a quick tip on how to deal with these date formats, especially when it's complicated. So in this case, see, these are the dates that I have. Right? And all recommended tricks of changing the date fail to work. Let's say this, format cells, date, this format right here to year, month, date. See, it has failed to work. So this video is dedicated to such complexities. Right? So here's a quick hack. I would select this column, go to data, text, 2 columns, so that I break up this column into these respective fields. I'm going to use this delimiter, which is the divider. I say next and finish. Right. So you can see it has split the data into respective columns. Just to cross check. This was all 1st May, 1st April, 1st March. And after, okay, split. And now to combine them back into the template that we need, we use the date format, starting with the year to the month and to the day. Right. I guess we can then format this cell to our preferred template, and that's how we achieve it. That's a quick hack for you. Subscribe to ERPNext YouTube channel for more. Thank you.